Hi everyone, it's Holly here, and I'm back again this week with a makeup review and tutorial. I actually am a trained makeup artist and did it a bit during COVID. I don't actively do makeup on people anymore. I am an influencer and I teach Pilates, but I have a love of makeup and I love doing tutorials and showing people reviews and how to apply things. So a new product from Makeup by Mario launched. I love Makeup by Mario. I've used their eyeliners, lip liners in the past, along with blushes, powder blush actually. He just knows exactly what looks good. He knows what kind of colors we want. He knows what kind of formulas we want. It's just so fun to try his products because I already know they're gonna be amazing and also different. And then I will finish up with a tutorial on how to create this beautiful Nina Park lip tutorial that has been all over TikTok, all over basically every celebrity red carpet. They've been wearing her lips. She does a really unique way of applying lip makeup. It stands out. So let's go through the shades. Cherry Pie, this is the one I applied face today. Let's see what this says about the product, if there's anything. Bouncy jelly-like formula for lip and cheek that feels lightweight and nourishing with a wash of juicy color. A light pigment to it. Really cool jelly texture, which I'm a sucker for a new texture. I love trying that. It's just exciting to me. Pairs really well with the Ultra Suede lip pencils. I will also be showing you Cherry Pie. What I noticed applying this on my lip, on my cheek, very light color. So sheer on the skin, so it's very buildable. Actually, what I noticed from swatching is how much gloss is added to the skin. It adds this dew and gloss to the skin. And we have Pink Sugar. This is another color, and this cute little charm chain that came with it. Just a little bit more pink, I guess. Every blush came in one of these, and I was like, these are too cute to open. The packaging is just next level. Very toasty, more pigmented, I would say, than the other ones. Smelly candy. Like all of these, they blend out so nicely. You can sheer that out so well. Rose Crush, like such a natural blush color. Kind of a nudie pink, I want to say, now applying it on the skin. Mauve Latte. Very beautiful though. Like that color would look beautiful basically on everyone for that mauvey kind of lip look, and as well that kind of blush color looks good on everyone. Pink Chai, this is the lightest one, which I think will be an amazing everyday one as well. I would probably prefer this more as a lip color than a blush because it probably wouldn't show up as a blush on me, but maybe in the summertime when it's like a no makeup look, that would look unbelievably beautiful. For the Berry Toasty shade, which is the darkest shade, I would go in with Jeff or Dark Chocolate. Mauve Latte shade, which is very beautiful. Lauren, a perfect match basically for that. Then we have Kelly, which is more of a red lip liner. Best probably with Mauve Latte. Burnt Sienna, it's a warm mid-tone brown, so it's similar to Travis, but it has like that terracotta warmness. I just apply lip stain around the border of my lips to give it a lip liner look. I will be using the NYX one, Cuff Me. That's what I started with my lips. I just applied this and then dabbed it in a little bit to start prepping the lips. The first thing she does is contour around the lips, and I find this personally to make such a difference in how my lip looks look. So I'm using my new favorite cream bronzer. I'll list it here for you. My favorite cream bronzer. Apply just around the perimeter of the lip. I kind of go on the lip line, focusing a little bit more on the middle. And I try not to go too far outside because I have done that before and that looks crazy. Basically about applying a shadow just beyond the lip line. Then we're gonna go in with Rhode. I like this one because it's a very natural lip liner. So this one in, I think it's Twist, just go in and define my lip line a little more. I've created a shadow and now just creating a little more of a line, even though this is a soft line. And it's always a good idea to kind of blot as we go. Lawless lipstick in Annie, and really liked it. It's just a very nice satiny nude. Blotted semi-matte. It's more of a satin look. So I'm gonna use Cherry Pie, put it on my cheeks first because this look will be brought together with the lip. I'm using my Rare Beauty cream blush brush, which is the best for applying cream products of any kind. It's very buildable and I really, really like that. Then I kind of put it right here to lift my face because I feel like that looks really good. It smells like candy, like I was saying. These blushes smell like candy. Looks like you're truly lit from within. Take a little bit of that on your finger, kiss your lips, and dab right in the middle. From the middle outwards, you want that pink pop. I'm gonna use Travis in the Mario Ultra Suede lip lining pencil. These pencils are so amazing. So here we have a sharp pencil. Right on the line, we're not overdoing it, we're not underdoing it. We're gonna lightly soften that line, lightly crisp up those lines again. And to finish off, to add a little hydration to the lips, I'm gonna use one of my favorite glosses, Lawless Forget the Filler Cherry Vanilla, just so they aren't dry. Obviously, we don't love dry lips. We want them plump and healthy. This is my final lip look using the new Makeup by Mario jelly jars that you can use on your lips and your cheeks. I use Cherry Pie. You can see how gorgeous of a look it creates when used together. And this was my tutorial on the famous Nina Park makeup artist lip that she's been doing on celebrities all over every red carpet. If you see a lip on a celebrity, she did it. So I had to recreate it. Such a beautiful look. I hope you enjoyed this review and tutorial. I feel like I haven't done one in a while and it's been so much fun. Don't forget to like this video down below and follow me here at holl_ward on YouTube. I post every single week, full-length videos along with shorts. And don't forget to head over to Instagram and TikTok. Follow me at the same handle over there at holl_ward. As always, I hope you have a wonderful week and I'll see you next time.